you're picking up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, perfect, perfect.
Take the next right onto South Wells Street, then turn left onto West Ida B. Wells Drive. Turn left onto West Ida B. Wells Drive, then continue onto Illinois 110 West.
Downtown Chicago, in the city. It's kind of backed up with a lot of traffic right now, but we heading out. Look at this thing right here. We're actually gonna drive through a building. Look at that. They built the road through the building. That's pretty cool. Alright my people, so see, this is the convention center. Look what we have to go through. Pretty much the sign in down a little trailer there right there, so. Alright. And then pretty much walk, go all the way back at the van. Walk way over there, so somewhere behind the thing there. But it's a mess when you deliver to shows and convention center. Expediting to these places is crazy. I'm there from Thursday, it's now Sunday. I'm there like 3 days now. I wait for just check in another yard, yeah, and then get them paperwork, yeah, the van number, and then go deliver it. Pretty much. It's just a mess. But a part of the work, some of them things are good, some of them not good. You know, I kill me all week. Me only do one job for the week, well, 2 jobs for the week. So this one sitting around waiting from Thursday to Sunday kill your whole time. But we are gonna see is a marshalling yard, them call this. Come here, so do your paperwork and then head over to the convention center. Yeah, my people, so we're leaving the marshalling yard now. We're heading down the seatbelt. Yeah, we're heading over into the convention center. Right now we're driving under the convention center. It's a messed up something because them are the construction, all of that, and it's like the the roads, the GPS messed up. It a carry all over where you're not supposed to go, pretty much. Them have them marshalling yard on one side, and then the receiving entrance they on one end. So yeah, it kind of messed up. So we'll come up somewhere around here, so we need to go around here. So they actually driving here so first, but the security never tell me something need to go at the marshalling yard. The dispatch did say we have to go like thing there, but when we got there was nobody there. It's like it looked like an empty yard. So pretty much I had to come here first and find out where to go. But we're here now, so let's see. Yeah, so pretty much we did stop at the security. Somebody paused it. Anyhow, it's a lot of run around, expediting out here. You can't just come and sit around. You have to pretty much go around, ask questions, go to the address, ask the security guard them where to go. There's a lot of back and forth sometimes when with these deliveries. It's never always where we need to be. You know what I say? Let's figure out which one of these doors is the right door. Yeah, so see, you have to come up now, then you have to check in with this security guard, then him will take you to where you need to be. So pretty much that's how it works. Yeah, so pretty much we reach. We'll show you the load. It's the actual load right there. Kind of dark.
You want to go down to 4-8?
Yeah, and then now we're there now, them I said them not start till 8 o'clock. It's pretty much a little bit after 7. So you see the shit, we have to go through pretty much sometimes. It's crazy. We out here though, don't make it discourage you. See there is some kind of show. Ace hardware show. Yeah, it's expediting, man. That's how it works, you know. Hopefully we can get this drop off and then head out by tomorrow. It's Sunday now, Sunday morning, 7 a.m. So hopefully we can head out tomorrow, get a load and head out tomorrow, you know. Yeah.
Get out of there, huh?
What's going on, my man? Everything good?
That's just 48, ain't it?
Yeah.
Don't say that, dude.
You got it. Alright guys, so this week we had one of those nightmare loads in expediting. Pretty much this load right here is the worst since I've been doing it. Pretty much it's a load that came from Illinois, up in the Chicago area. Well, I brought it. I was in Indiana, so I had to drive about 3 hours to Illinois to pick it up. 3.5 hours to pick it up. Went over there, found out. I thought it was a good load at the time. Went down there to pick it up 3.5 hours to go to Texas, Dallas, Texas, from Illinois, Chicago area. So went over there 3.5 hours. Got there early. Checked it out. When I looked at the paperwork, it said delivery, time specific delivery on a Sunday. Now, as we all know, most cases, all these expediters, they should know that most times you get a load, you could more than likely drop it off early, as long as there's no, it's not on a Sunday, they're closed, as long as they're not closed. But in this case, you know, I say I'll take it anyway. This was like on a Wednesday when I picked up the load, or yeah, Wednesday. So I knew, you know, going down to Texas, it would take me a couple hours, 12 hours. So I would reach there probably by Thursday. No, probably I would reach there Thursday morning. Anyhow, Took the load thinking I could deliver it early. No one said, hey, you can't deliver it until Sunday. So I just took the load, head out. On my way down, dispatch keep calling. They have issues with the load. You know, I wasn't supposed to leave. I say I got there and they gave me the load, gave me the paperwork. Why would I not leave, you know? Anyhow, they checked it out, say it's fine, let's, you know, keep going. Come to find out, they said that at that time, they said that, you know, we can't deliver it until Sunday. So I said, what? Today is Thursday. I'm halfway there, right? They say, yeah, it can't deliver at until Sunday. So I looked it up, looked up the place, realized it was a convention center. So it's more than likely it's it was a convention, ACE convention hardware, something like that. But what happened is, when it's a convention like that, there is no one there to receive it. Pretty much they need it for Sunday. Sunday is the day, and that Sunday is when you're gonna deliver it. So I got screwed on that one big time, because I had to I got there Thursday early and I had to sit Thursday for the remainder of the day, Friday, Saturday, until I could deliver it Sunday. So I was sitting like 4 days almost, you know. And then on a Sunday, you know, you ain't gonna get no work on a Sunday. So pretty much I sat there Sunday all day after I delivered it. Even when I went to deliver it, there was some issues. The convention center is a huge convention center, a lot of bay doors. They got marshalling yard you have to go to before check in, get paperwork. Then you gotta go to the dock where they want it. Then you gotta wait because they don't start working until 8. All sorts of crap with this, you know. It wouldn't have been so bad if they had paid layover, but they tricked me on that one. No one said you had to sit around and wait. If I had known that I was gonna sit, I would have declined the load, or, you know, asked for layover, and then they would have paid me 3 days layover. However, because they knew this, they didn't say anything. So they kind of tricked us. Our dispatch, our company kind of tricked us on that one, right? So pretty much, you know, after you accept it halfway there, down there, then they come up with some bullshit story. Oh, you can't, you know, there's not much room on this one. You can't get any layover on it, stuff like that. I had to just suck it up, because what are you gonna do? You have the load, it's already loaded. What are you gonna do? You're just gonna have to wait, you know. Try to reach out to somebody in a higher, you know, position. They said no, they can't do anything. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna quit the job or keep rolling, you know what I'm saying? But this is one of them week where, you know, I only had 1 load, 2 loads this week, pretty much, well, that week, because it's now the following week. So it's just one of those, you know, messed up loads, you know, where you have to either just suck it up, or if you had caught on, you could have just declined it at first. You know, part of it was on my side, for not looking into it a little bit deeper, but no one would have known, because then you can't know. You're here thinking you could deliver it early, right? It was a good run from Chicago to Texas, Dallas, Texas. So, you know, it's just one of those things. And then I didn't get a load Sunday, I didn't get a load Monday, so I'm here sitting. So pretty much from the Thursday before all the way to the following Monday, I didn't get a load, no load. It's just sitting in a van in the truck stop or Walmart, right? So at that point, getting no load, the board became filled with drivers and less load Monday night. So I decided, you know what, let's just head back to Georgia and kind of reset, you know, just reset, you know, rest a little bit for 2 days and then head back out. So sometimes you ain't got no choice, you know what I'm saying? Just if you're close to home, just head back home. In this case, I was like 12 hours from home, so it wasn't close. But I was just annoyed. I just wanted some rest. I wanted to just relax a little bit for at least 2 days. So I decided to head out, you know, Monday night, head back to Georgia. So right now I'm, you know, back in Georgia. been here 2-3 days. I had some things to deal with. So by tomorrow, which is Friday, I'm gonna end up turning back on and see if I could get a load on a Friday, head out for the weekend. Hopefully I get something that takes me, you know, a good distance, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's just expediting for you. We ain't gonna cry about it. It is what it is. We got you know, conned a little bit there from our company, but what you gonna do is either you leave that company and go somewhere else and get the same shit, the same treatment. So, you know, sometimes we have to just bite the bullet and take a L on that one and recoup and go again, you know what I'm saying? There is still work out there. Sometimes you just have to be patient with it. So, you know, we here, we back at home, we taking care of some local stuff, and then, you know, head out to expediting again. As I said, today's Thursday, so we're gonna head out tomorrow, see if we could, you know, get some work. All right, guys, I'll keep you filling on the next move.